Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the future of electric driving with the all-new 2026 Tesla model. Tesla is known for pushing boundaries, and this latest model takes things to a whole new level. From the outside, the 2026 Tesla model keeps that sleek, minimalist design Tesla fans love, but with sharper lines and a more futuristic vibe. The headlights are slimmer, the body is more aerodynamic, and everything feels more refined. It's not just about looks. This design actually improves efficiency and range. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. The massive central touchscreen is now even more responsive, and Tesla has improved the user interface to make everything smoother and easier to use. There are almost no physical buttons, giving the interior a super clean and modern feel. One of the biggest upgrades in the 2026 model is the AI-powered system. Tesla has enhanced its voice assistant and in-car software, making it smarter than ever. You can control almost everything using just your voice, from navigation to climate control. Now, let's talk performance. As expected from Tesla, this car is quick, really quick. The instant torque gives you that thrilling acceleration, whether you're in the city or on the highway. Depending on the variant, you can expect impressive 0 to 100 km/h times that rival some sports cars. Range anxiety? Not here. The 2026 Tesla model offers an even longer driving range thanks to improved battery technology. Charging is faster too, especially with Tesla's supercharger network, which continues to expand globally. Safety is another area where Tesla shines. The 2026 model comes with the latest version of autopilot and optional full self-driving capabilities. While it's not fully autonomous yet, the system is smarter, safer, and more reliable than before. Another cool feature is over-the-air updates. Just like your smartphone, this car keeps getting better over time. New features, performance improvements, and even design tweaks can be added without visiting a service center. Now, let's be real. Tesla cars are not the cheapest on the market. But when you consider the technology, performance, and long-term savings on fuel and maintenance, it starts to make a lot of sense. So, who is this car for? If you love cutting-edge technology, silent driving, and instant acceleration, the 2026 Tesla model might be perfect for you. It's not just a car, it's a glimpse into the future. That's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments, would you choose the 2026 Tesla model over a traditional petrol car? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.